Morning everyone, we are at Blizzard Beach today. We are just getting to our locker, so I'm actually going to be putting this camera away. We'll do some stuff with the GoPro today. I'll probably carry that around with us so we have it, but this one is not waterproof, so it's going away. But we just wanted to check in this morning, see what was going on. Jessica, say hello.
Hi.
You ready to get wet?
Yep.
She's very excited about it, as you can tell.
Well, I'm trying to concentrate. Gotta get all this stuff in here.
Well, I think we'll make it work.
Floating in the lazy river. You make it? Oh, we got more drizzles. We're gonna get drizzled again. That one was cold.
Oh, I gotta go get Derek. Good job, babe.
Hello.
Hello. Goodbye. You did. Should you bump him? Bump him. I have video proof that you were willing to bump him, though.
I don't recall that. I think the doctor. Okay, ready? Here.
Yeah. No, baseball sets on my front. That way. No, I'm going that way.
in the zone. She's focused.
We're headed back to Magic Kingdom today. What are we doing there? Oh, all the mountains. Doing all the mountains today.
And other stuff.
And other stuff. Hopefully we can get on Peter Pan today.
Minecart?
Minecart, that would be good. I'd like to get on that at least once.
Might need to just jump in a line and bite the bullet.
Give me a dessert. That's so cute. That's
So
awesome.
we were just in line, and like 2 rows behind us, someone totally just passed out.
Yeah.
Super scary. Stay hydrated.
Yeah. So Erica went and got some water. But it's warm.
It's gross.
We're gonna get some water though.
Here we are after this.
This is my Zen music right here. Getting ready for Space Mountain.
You can't see you at all.
It's alright, just listen. Just take it all in.
You love it. There's a black light, but I still can't see you. Oh, we can see your sunglasses. Yeah, look up. There you go.
Alright, we're finally headed towards Splash Mountain. Here's our before. Jessica, looking pretty dry. Derek, pretty dry. I'm hoping that it stays pretty dry, but figured I'd get us a little bit of looking at what we were before, just in case it all goes south. It's always a possibility. You ready for Splash Mountain?
Yes.
Caught in the act. Hey guys, it's pretty loud in here. We're eating supper at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. And I have to show off our favorite entertainer at Disney, Sunny D. Flip. The biggest little star in the galaxy. So he serenades us while we're eating supper. We really like Sunny. How's the afternoon treating you?
Good. I'm tired. The sun beat on us today.
It did. It's like the upper 90s today, which is pretty hot. Well, we're just leaving the park, heading back to our bus stop, and there is some very impressive lightning going on in the sky. And I was telling Jessica how lightning is the coolest because you could see these huge bolts in the sky, and she thought maybe we should take a little video of the lightning we were witnessing.
Tell them that we can still see stars though.
Yeah, like directly above us, you guys can't really see it, but there's still stars directly above us. But over there, lightning. So we just got back, and look, just outside our room, you can see the fireworks going off at one of the parks.
That's crazy.
It is. I assume that's one of the parks. That's all I can think of, but I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
Just outside our room. Who knew?